Thank you for choosing Boerboel standard wrap hinges. These hinges feature self-closing and tension control technology, which allows you to customize the resistance and speed of your gate closure. The standard wrap hinge kit comes with 2 hinges, 2 hinge covers, and an Allen wrench and hardware. Once installed, these hinges support gates up to 75 pounds and 72 inches wide. Gather the tools you'll need before you get started: a square or Phillips drive bit, a drill with an appropriate size drill bit, 2 wood spacer blocks, a level, a tape measure, a pencil, and safety glasses. Boerboel hardware is designed for use on many different types of gates, including vinyl, aluminum, and wood. So check the hardware and material you're drilling into to determine the drive type and drill size. The hardware shown in this video may be slightly different than your kit, depending on the application. Let's get started. The first step is to determine your gate opening, which is calculated by taking the width of the gate plus clearance for the hinge plus clearance for the latch or drop rod on a fence or railing system. Next, place the hinges at the desired position on the gate. Mark a line on the gate upright at the top and the bottom of both gate plates. Use the Allen wrench to remove the 2 set screws that secure the swing arm to the gate plate, and place the gate plates firmly against the gate upright between the lines you marked. Drill 2 pilot holes through the screw holes in front of each gate plate. Be careful not to drill them all the way through the gate upright. Secure the gate plates to the upright using 2 1¼ flathead screws. Next, drill 2 pilot holes through the screw holes in the side of the gate plate. Secure it in place with 2 flathead screws per plate. And place the swing arms back into the gate plates. Use the Allen wrench to secure the 2 set screws that will hold your swing arm to the gate plate. To mount the gate, position it at the desired height on the post. Horizontal rails on the gate should be even with the horizontal rails on your fence. Next, measure the space between the ground and the bottom of the gate and cut 2 wood spacer blocks to this height. Use these 2 blocks to support the gate and hold it level or plumb with the gate post. While holding the swing arms firmly against the post, mark pilot holes on the posts through the 2 screw slots in the front of the swing arms. Drill the pilot holes and reposition the gate on the post and secure the hinges with 2 of the panhead screws per hinge. Open the gate and drill 3 pilot holes through the 3 screw slots in the sides of the swing arms. Your pilot holes should be near the vertical centers of the slots to allow for the hinges to be vertically adjusted. Next, secure with 3 of the panhead screws. Finally, close the gate and check alignment between horizontal rails on the fence. Retighten the screws when alignment is completed. Although the hinge tension comes preset to close automatically, you may need to adjust it slightly to get the desired gate swing speed. To increase the tension and create a self-closing hinge, press down on the tension adjustment pin and turn a quarter turn toward the plus sign. To decrease tension and create a manual closing hinge, press down on the pin and turn a quarter turn toward the minus sign. After setting the desired tension, remove the Allen wrench. Tabs on the tension pin head will fit into notches inside the hinge barrel when the pin is fully locked in position. Test the gate swing and continue to make any adjustments needed until you reach the desired tension. Once your gate is aligned and adjusted correctly, snap on the decorative covers and check the gate swing one more time to ensure the hinge covers are aligned properly. The gate can swing up to 180 degrees. For more information or to download written instructions for the Boerboel standard wrap hinges, visit boerboelgatesystems.com.